So for those of you that have watched the channel a bit and you see some of my testings, personal usage, you will realize that I wear a lot. This is the BaerSkin hoodie, and I have the BaerSkin hoodie 2.0 and I have the BaerSkin hoodie 3.0, and honestly, I wear both of them all the time. Sometimes just around the house, outside. I wear it as a liner a lot of times when I'm going motorcycle riding, just in case it gets cool outside. I think myself, it's a wonderful fleece hoodie jacket type thing. But BaerSkin just released some rain gear, I guess it is. Sort of rain, I guess, yeah, rain gear. And this one here is their soft shell outside fleece inside, rain insulation that defies Mother Nature. It comes in at about $250 Canadian, it looks like. Getting out of 40 reviews, 5 stars. And they also, I saw an ad actually the other day. They also make I guess it's more like a hard shell, like real rain cover, just in case you get a huge pour on coming down. But this arrived yesterday. Just arrived. Here it is here. This is the bag. So I'm just gonna open it up. Size I think I got a 2XL, I believe is the size I got. Comes in either green or black. So that's good. I think the big thing for me was that I want to be able to wear this day to day for sure. But I also want to be able to wear it again as, let's say I'm out motorcycle riding and it starts to rain. A rain jacket is great. If it's deluge, I have like rain jackets. Problem with them is that if it's coming down, like really coming down, they're so hot because to keep that level of waterproofing, right? They are like they're sealed. There's no airflow at all. Zero airflow. So I was like, that's not something I want, especially if it's like a mild to medium rain, then I want something that's just kind of, I can put on really fast, maybe keep me warm, and I'm good, because this one has the fleece in it. Now, I may reach out to them down the road to see if they want to send me the hard, like the hard rain jacket, which doesn't have the fleece liner. But I think this would be a great spring fall. Oh, I like that green. A spring fall jacket. And look at that. It comes with a sticker. For those of you sticker people, I only wear BaerSkin. But I do like that green. And it does come with a little stand a chance to win. Very cool. Now, BaerSkin did send me this, just so you guys know. But I'm not paid to do this review or anything like that. They just send me the gear so I can try it out, see what I think. I'm going on a motorcycle ride today, which is great. So it is. They do have a fleece liner in it. You guys can see it. But it's not fleece liner thickness, like, as far as I can tell, like the actual hoodie is, right? So it's not going to be that kind of warmth, which actually I like. High collar, which is excellent. They always have these big hoods, which I like, especially on a rain jacket. But it looks like they've become a little wiser, because a lot of times people were like, the hood is so large. And in the BaerSkin 2, it was like really large. BaerSkin 3, they shortened it up a bit, which was good. But you can also see on here, I'll bring this up, right? Look at all the nice, like the weather seal on the zippers. That's okay. I like that. They're not like a YKK zipper or anything like that, but it's got a good zip. But that seal is awesome, as well as on the arm, right? And it has the Velcro patches for those of you that like to put stuff on your jacket. It also has, is this a vent? Yes, sir. Nice little vent down here under your armpits. So if you are getting a little toasty, you can open those up. I like that. And again, at the bottom, we have some more sealed zippers. Yeah, so that fleece is, it's not as thick. It's probably the same fleece, but just not as thick a fleece, which, again, I appreciate, because the other fleece is pretty thick, right? So I would think you'd get really warm. On the inside, just so you guys can see, there's one pocket on your right side, one pocket there. And on this side, there is 2 pockets. So there's a pocket up top here, which is going to be a nice deep pocket. And then there's a pocket down below here. Okay. And there is a pocket on the back. So if you feel like putting some stuff back here around your lower waist, not your upper waist, you know what I'm saying, then it'll keep it dry. Okay, let's just see. I'm hoping my sizing was good. Oh, that's all right. You know. Oh, I like that. I like that a fair bit. I probably actually could have went a size smaller, because I'm losing pounds. Is what I am. I'm losing pounds. But anyway, that means I could wear I could wear my motorcycle jacket under it, which would be good. You know. And the hood. Look at that. You're not gonna get much rain in there. Plus, you got this nice high collar. These you can pull tight if you want to. Okay, and the waist you can cinch up as well, right? Cinch up as well. And you got these on the cuffs, which I like, you know, so if you need to. Oh, see, maybe it's just because that's really large. So if I bunch that up and put it even at its maximum, I would like to be able to get that a little tighter, you know, because that's a lot of space right there. But again, maybe if I'm wearing a jacket underneath this, for me, it'd be okay. But like, I like to have my cut these like super tight. So I would have liked to have seen that Velcro almost go all the way around so that you could find a spot wherever. Because for now, I'm kind of in like here, right? Which is fine. But I definitely would like it tighter for sure if I wanted to make sure no water was going to get up in that. That's probably the only thing I'd like to. So far, that's the only thing I'd like to see those tighter, because I can get my all my fingers in there, right? Okay, I am going on a ride today, and it's supposed to rain, so I'm going to bring this jacket with me. All right, keep watching. That should be coming up soon, I hope. Or else, if it doesn't rain, the video may just end.
Okay, kids, well, we're out riding. I had to put all the stuff on my bike in the rain, and so far, you know, I think this is a pretty good test. Plus, on a day like today, where it's usually, you know, it's not cold, it's like, what is it? It's 18 degrees Celsius, but I have to say, riding in the rain with this on right now, number one, I have a t-shirt on underneath this, and I have my vest. Okay, so a t-shirt and a vest, so a leather vest, because if I was to get in an accident for whatever reason, then I still want at least some protection. So I am kind of glad that this is as big as it is now, just because of the fact that I can put stuff underneath it. I could easily put like another jacket on underneath it for me, something like that. I would still like to see the sleeves a little tighter, or be able to go a little tighter, but honestly, you know, if I have to, and this is just for me, if I have to, not probably a big deal for me to take it somewhere and just get some Velcro put on. So I may end up doing that. But it is comfy. The only thing, excuse me, the only thing is that the armpit zippers, these guys right there, when you first put it on, if it's like warm out, then, especially like for me, I think what happens is my t-shirt sleeves kind of went up, and because it went up, you know, I could feel the zipper on my arm. Not like I could feel the zipper. I could feel it was cold, like I just said, like a different temperature than the rest. But I think for anything, for me, anything that's going to be like rain and let's say under this temperature, so like under 20 degrees in rain, this would be a fantastic rain jacket, you know. And it's raining pretty good right now. You know, I do have a fair bit of wind and rain protection on my motorcycle, but I'm getting like water on my chaps. I'm going to be a little damp, I think, when I get there. I'm riding for 2 hours, and I don't know how long the rain's supposed to be coming down for, but it's coming down enough so that it's don't run into the back of this guy. Don't do it. It's raining enough so that it's rain gear worthy. Anyways, when I hit my first stop, which is in about an hour, what I'll do is we'll start the camera back up, and we will, we will let you know how wet I am underneath this. So we'll see how wet my shirt is, because I think it's going to do pretty good. I think it's going to do pretty good. All right, guys. Stay tuned. We'll be there soon, and my poor cameras are getting wet. Yeah. All right. We will see you once we get to our first stop in about an hour. Okay. So I'm surprisingly dry. But I also went through just a dry snap there where it didn't rain. There's not raining here right now, so that's also excellent. But this thing definitely kept me warm, for sure. Warm, dry. What more do you want? You know, what more do you want from a soft-shelled rain jacket? You know, this is not the jacket I think you're gonna wear in a torrential storm. You want something a bit thicker than that, but for this, should be excellent. Very good. Alright guys, that's it for me. We'll see you guys in the next video. I gotta get some fuel, and is there any wetness? No, nothing. Nice. So good. Alright guys, I'll put links down below if you guys are interested, and I'm going to see if they'll send me their heavy duty waterproof one. That would be cool. Alright, I'm out. Later.